Welcome to Early Shiksha. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for loin. L for loin. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.